what it looks like. So essentially it's a user interface plugin for jQuery. So it features a lot of very easy ways to set up draggable objects, resizable objects, and selectable objects, all the things you can see down here on the left. So it's well worth getting familiar with because it can make your life a lot easier when you're designing complicated web apps. And we're just going to cover some of the basics in this video and the next couple of videos. So the first thing we need to do to get jQuery UI up and running is embed the JavaScript in our page, just like with jQuery. So it's very simple. We just add a script tag with a type of text/JavaScript. Now this time we're going to use the Google hosted version of jQuery UI. You're very welcome to download the version and use a local version on your own machine if you like, but just for ease and to show you another way of doing it, we're going to use the online version here. So there we go. Google APIs is a store of a great range of widely used web frameworks, and jQuery UI is one of them. If you want to get the address of any particular jQuery plugin or anything like that, then just Google it and it'll come up. So there we go. We've got our jQuery UI plugin installed. So let's just get a draggable element. So nice and easy. Let's create our good old square. So we'll just have a single square. You can style it as you like. I'll keep things simple. And we'll just have a width of 200 pixels and a height of 200 pixels and a background color of gray this time. Okay, let's just take a look at that. Great, that's what I want. Now, of course, if I try and drag that div around, nothing happens. So how do I actually use my jQuery UI to make something draggable? It's extremely straightforward. All you need to do is select your div. So square, and then use the function draggable. That's it. And now let's have a look. I can now drag that around and it moves around with me. Fantastic. As with all of the ones that we're going to look at here, the jQuery UI functions, there are lots of customizations that you can do to that. So if you want it to work in a particular way, then you can do. If you want to run a particular function when the drag is complete, all of that can be done quite easily. I'm not going to go into the details of all of those in these videos, but if you want to look at them in more detail, then the jQuery UI website is the place to go.